Fisker, ticker symbol FSR. Awful stock price today on some more great news. When will this stock get a break? That's why I'm in green right now, because we should be green. We're down 6.75, all-time lows again, 12 cents. The whole company's only like $600 million. You can buy the whole flipping thing. What's the good news today? Let me bring it to you. In fact, beg your pardon, not 600 million, 66 million. I beg your pardon, 66 million. That's right. What's the good news today? There's more good news today. Smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Do you want to know what the good news is? Can you make money today from this stock? Well, we've just got that great news yesterday about the award and the best car and all the rest of it. The very opposite of what's being said by our Marcus Brownlee puppet for Tesla, who, we know all about him. So can you make money from this stock? Well, let me share with you some news just sent in moments ago by one of the members, by one of the Lucas researchers. Look at this, just out. More good news on the stock. Let me share it with you. Here we go. 4,972,647 shares in Fisker, bought by Wellington Management Group. Wellington Management, another institution buying in. 4,972,647. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You want to read this, right? Let me make it as big and as clear as I possibly can. That is as big as it goes. All right, there you go. Wellington Management Group, LLP, bought a new position in Fisker in the third quarter reports. The firm bought 4,972,647 shares of the company's stock, valued at approximately 31,924,000. Other institutional investors have also added to or reduced their stakes in the company. To and reduce. So we need to put the plus with the negative. Let's add it all together. Rafferty Asset Management LLC boosted its position in Fisker by 15% during the third quarter. Rafferty Asset Management LLC now owns 189,612 shares of the company stock, valued at should that not be million? 189 million, I think. I think they've missed a bit off there. Valued at 1,217,000. Yes, they've missed the last three digits, looks like. After buying an additional 24, that should be million, I'm sure. But anyway, I'm going to read it as it says, but I think it's million. 24,703 shares during the period. Swiss National Bank raised its stake in the shares by 5.4% during the second quarter. Swiss National Bank now owns 408,600 shares of the company's stock, valued at 2,305,000. I'm reading the numbers as they are, but I think they're millions. Anyway, after acquiring an additional 21,000 shares during the last quarter, Toronto Dominion Bank bought a new position in shares of Fisker during the third quarter, valued at 642,000. Charles Schwab Investment Management raised its stake in shares by Fisker by 8.8% during the third quarter. Charles Schwab Investment Management now owns 1,474,659 shares of the company stock, valued at 9,467,000 after acquiring an additional 119,732 shares during the last quarter. Finally, Bank of Montreal Bank of Montreal is that right? Anyway, bought a new position in shares of Fisker during the second quarter, valued at 70,000. 33.74% of the stock is currently owned by hedge funds and other institutional investors. So there we go. Some good news this morning. We all know about all of this, so there's no real point talking about that, is there? No, I think we all know about that. Yes, nothing else new. But I just thought I would share that with you. Thank you for sending that in. Are we now at a bottom? 12 cents. It's going sideways at the bottom at the moment. Let me have a quick look at the price action. If we look at the level 2 data, which you shouldn't use as a guide, it's very manipulated, would suggest it's about to be bought up, more buying than selling, okay? What about the RSI? Is it overbought, oversold? It's just in the bottom of the channel. Let me clear away the screen to make it a bit clearer for you. There you go. There's the RSI at the bottom. It's in the low part of the channel. So we were overbought earlier. It's starting to pick up a little bit. So what do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. I will respond and reply to all of my members' comments, every single one. If you become a member of my channel, click above my head for the link down below. I've got a brand new video out now about all your perks and benefits that if you are a member, make sure that you claim all of your benefits. Watch the whole of that video. There's no ads on it. It just explains everything for you. Go and check that out. All right. Okay, fantastic. That's it, I think. For now, I think for Fisker, what do you think? It's going down again, but more good news, I think, here. We're getting some buy-ins as I'm talking about it. I am screening the studio. I'm going to leave it green because really, guys, I think it should be bought at this level, but maybe it will, maybe it won't. Remember, I don't own the stock. I only own the S&P. I'm not pumping the stock. I don't benefit from it going up. And as I talk about it, here we go. It's starting to move. Looks like people are now buying it. The news has just come out. We only just found this news and more good news around the stock. I think it's just a matter of time when we get the filing, the 10K filing, and we know more about what's been going on with Nissan and all the other things, we could get a massive, massive rally. So there you go. Above my head down here is the extra channel as well. Want to make sure you watch the extra channel. That's where we chat and share breaking news before anyone else reports on it. The moment it comes out, we're on it and we're out. Faster than a car on a car bonnet. Faster than a bonnet on a car. Faster than a fly zipping off a slidey surface. Yeah, that's really fast. A fly comes down and slips like that on ice. Imagine how fast a fly, if it lands on ice and goes, whoops. I mean, that's fast, right? That's how fast we are. Click above my head, down here, over here, over here. I feel like one of those guys at the airport. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.